guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you 2 vegan dinner ideas, and this video is actually really exciting for me because I had the opportunity to partner with olive oils from Spain, and I actually got to create a recipe for them using their products, and the recipe is living on epicurious.com, which is just so exciting for me because I've been cooking recipes from Epicurious for so long. So Olive Oils from Spain is sponsoring the first recipe in this video. That is the recipe that I created for Epicurious, so I'm really excited for you guys to make it, but that is everything I have to say for now, so let's get into it. We're starting off with some extra virgin olive oil from Spain and adding that into a frying pan or a skillet that is set to medium heat. And then after that you can add your onions and garlic and fry those for a couple of minutes until the onion becomes translucent. I usually do this between 3 to 5 minutes. Then you want to add in the bell peppers, mushrooms, green beans, peas, and cherry tomatoes and cook those for a few minutes. I do, again, about 3 minutes. You don't want them to be fully cooked because they will be cooking throughout the whole rest of the time while the rice is cooking as well. So you just want to get them started a little bit and get all the flavors combining here. Then you can add the paprika and turmeric, followed by the brown rice, vegetable stock, and coconut milk. The coconut milk is what gives this a really nice creaminess, so I recommend using full fat, but if you want to use reduced fat, it will still work as well. You just want to stir that all together and bring it to a kind of a light simmer, so I put it on between medium and medium low, and then I cover mine with a sheet pan so that it helps steam it and cook it. I just stir it a couple times. It's not really going to stick, but you just want to stir it so that all the liquid can get distributed and evenly absorbed. So just take the pan or the lid off a couple times to check it in between, but it should take about 40 minutes until the rice is fully cooked. Once it's nice and tender, you can give it a little taste. You can add your fresh squeezed lemon juice and fresh parsley, and then you are ready to serve it. For this recipe, you are going to just add some canned chickpeas that have been drained and rinsed to a bowl and just use a masher or a fork to just break them up a little bit. And then you can add some olive oil to a frying pan and add the green onions and red onions and just cook those for a few minutes just to kind of get the flavors going. And then you can add the broken up chickpeas and some barbecue sauce. Just make sure to read the ingredients label, but there are tons of vegan barbecue sauces out there and also accidentally vegan ones. So yeah, just make sure to read the ingredients. And then I just stir that around and cook it for about 5 minutes until the flavors all have a chance to blend. Then take a flour tortilla and add some slices of vegan cheese. This is optional, you don't have to add the cheese, but it's just an extra step that I like to do. And then I also add some greens, so for this I'm using spinach and some avocado that I sliced up. That's it, then you just roll it up, and obviously based on how many chickpeas you do, this will make definitely more than one wrap, but if you want to keep the extra chickpeas for another day, you can just put them in an airtight container in the fridge and keep it for about 3 days. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys try out these recipes, and if you do, be sure to take a photo and tag me on Instagram at itslivb. As always, if you have any video requests, leave them in the comments below. Thank you again so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!